myself Mamta Rani in EC department JECRC. Today we will discuss the microwave practical to study the behavior of terminated transmission line in time and frequency domain. For this experiment we need this transmission line trainer kit. In this you can see here, this is the impedance, so you can vary it with this knob. So you can vary with this. This is the maximum value. After that, this is the frequency block. In this frequency we can change the span from this knob and we can tune the particular frequency with this knob. Like this is showing 222 and you can vary it. After that, we can take output from this frequency output from this knob, and this knob we can see that this is the scope output. Basically, in the scope output, this will give us the x-axis output and this will give us vertical point. So this will give us the y-axis, because here you can see here, this is the horizontal output and this is the vertical output. So horizontal output will give x-axis representation and vertical output will give us the y-axis representation. We can also take the output from here, TDR, time domain reflectometer. Here this is for short range and this is for long range application. So from here you can see there, this is the x-axis as well as y-axis deflection is there. If I remove this coat, then some deflection will be shown. So if we want to study the behavior of transmission line, then we can connect it from here, and this coaxial cable, this cable has characteristics impedance equals to 50 ohm. So we can connect it to here, then it will be, if it will be connected to load, then its behavior will be changed. Its maxima will behave as the minima and its minima will behave as the maximum point. And if it is open circuit, then reverse will be happen.